Yum.
I did put it in. I remember I didn't have
That make you cringe a little bit? Huh?
need it. Ambient temp. Okay, return and supply. Yes, I know you could taste it.
Nah, I can't tell nothing because my fucking nose is stuffed.
We need
That's why I made the noise.
Never mind. Yeah, we need to eat that. This one. What's that? Oh, we lost the lid.
You do not ticklish.
Don't work unless I will see it through.
Oh. I'll remember that.
Why is this 85 return? That's the first thing we check, the delta T, right?
Yeah.
85. And now let's check here.